What here today, Rob?
So this is a crop of WPB Fraser. It's a spring wheat. It's a Group 4 hard.
Yeah.
We're growing this on contract for LG Seeds in Lincolnshire.
Okay.
So we've did one field yesterday, and this is the final field today. Moisture wise, it's just under just over 14.2%, which
that's okay.
Ideal. No actual drying of the corn to get the moisture down, but we'll have to take the heat out of it. So, but yeah, plenty of dust, as you can see. Looks like it seems to be yielding quite well.
Yeah, good. Yeah.